Okay, today I will be picking a Mul-T-Lock Jr. This is in the body of a pack lock sent in by Snake. And I'll go ahead and show you that the key works. It does. I will also go ahead and show you the bidding here. Number 3 is quite low and number 4 is quite high. So it's definitely going to be an interesting pick. I will be picking with a heavy bar by Sparrows. And I will be picking clockwise, of course, with a number 5 flag by Multipick. And I'm going to be stopping about 45 degrees, just because the pins will fall down into this chamber here. Alright, so I'm going to be starting on 1. See if I can get this. Okay, click on 1. Click on 2 with a little bit of a false set. Counter rotation and click on 3. Four seems quite stiff. A little bit of counter rotation on 4. There we go. Click. Click on 5. And modulate tension just a little bit. See if I can. There we go. We are now in a deep false set. You can see that okay. This would indicate that I'm in a on the center pins. So I'm going to go ahead and walk my way through the pins to see if I can set those center pins. Slight click on 1. Okay, bumped into number 2 and got an even deeper false set. So definitely we are on the center pins. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and try to find some feedback here. I'll modulate just a little bit to reset those key pins. And we will try to get an open. One seems quite springy, so I feel that it is set. Number 2 seems loose, not springy. So I believe number 2 is set. Same with 3. 4 kind of feels that way as well. See if we can modulate just a little bit and walk this in. Okay, I'm now on 1. 1's very stiff. Let's see if we can find what we're caught up on. Okay, I'm on 4. Click on 4 and we have an open. I will go ahead and show you that. There is the open. Full movement of the core. I'm going to go ahead and lock this back up so I can use the key to open the shackle. Otherwise, it'll get stuck. Okay. Let's stick the key in here. Open it up and see if we can get this thing gutted. This is a logo lock that Snake got and sent me. Okay, set this right here. See if I can do this while keeping it on camera. There we go. And go ahead and adjust my camera and get this thing gutted. right, let's go ahead and show you the Bible here. And nice little Bible. I'm going to show you the core again. Mul-T-Lock Jr. And I will go ahead and bring these pins up so you can see them. Very nice pins, of course. We have 4 spools, the drivers, and we have 2 mushroom pins, 1 and 3. All right, let me go ahead and see if I can put this back together. All right, there you have it, the Mul-T-Lock Jr. in a nice, awesome logo lock by Snake. Thanks, Snake, for sending this in, and thanks for picking with me today. I hope you all have a great one.